Welcome back, AP Gov students. Today we're in our second video. We're going to be exploring topic 2, types of democracy, a core concept that helps us understand how democratic governments function differently. In this video, we are going to cover the 3 main types of democracy: participatory, pluralist, and elite democracy, look at some examples from US politics, and talk about the ongoing debate about which is most effective. Let's break this topic down. First, participatory democracy emphasizes broad participation by citizens in politics and civil society. People actively engage in making laws and policies. The ideal of direct democracy, where citizens have a strong role, works best in small communities or through local initiatives. Examples would include town hall meetings, ballot initiatives or referenda, protests, and grassroots activism. The strengths: encourages informed, engaged citizens, but the challenges are it is difficult to scale in large, diverse populations. Next is pluralist democracy, which emphasizes the role of groups in the policymaking process. Citizens form interest groups and compete to influence government. Power is dispersed. No one group gets to dominate. Government acts as the referee between competing interests for resources. Examples here include the National Rifle Association lobbying for gun rights, the ACLU pushing for civil liberties, environmental groups advocating for climate policy, and on and on. The strengths of this type of democracy: encourages compromise and representation. Challenges: well, it can lead to gridlock or favor well-organized groups over less well-organized groups. Finally, elite democracy argues that a small group of educated, wealthy individuals should make most political decisions. These elites are seen as better suited to govern wisely, whether it be to experiences or education or even wealth. It limits broad participation to avoid chaos or uninformed decisions. Examples here include the Electoral College. The Senate was originally chosen by state legislatures, and we could see the influence of campaign donors in political action committees in our government. Strength: well, very efficient and stable. Challenges, though, it undermines equality and may ignore public opinion. The Founding Fathers debated these models in the Constitutional Convention. Madison, when he wrote Federalist 10, supported pluralist democracy. He argued that a large republic can control factions or those groups. Understand that Federalist 10 is a required document for this course. You need to make sure to read it and understand it. Brutus 1, on the other hand, favors a more participatory democracy. This document feared elite control and loss of local power to a strong central government. Brutus 1 is also a required democracy, a required document. U.S. democracy is a blend. All institutions reflect all 3 models. To recap, we have 3 types of democracy: participatory democracy, which is broad, direct citizen involvement; pluralist democracy, interest groups influence policy; and finally, elite democracy, power held by small, privileged few. The U.S. system combines all 3, each with strengths and trade-offs. Understanding these types help us evaluate who has power and how democracy really works. Next up, we're going to look at government power and individual rights in topic 3. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos in AP government. Make sure to check out my Teachers Pay Teachers, my Patreon, all AP, all day. Keep talking to you later.